Josh Dickoff with Practical Revolution, and you are watching a ROCKSAW. It has a 10-inch wide blade, and it cuts up to 46 inches deep. And after he makes a bit of a trench, I'll see if I can get up there and show you what the end result is. And here's the trench that it dug. Again, it's a 10-inch blade cutting up to just under 4 feet deep.